How to change country in iPhone. To change country on iPhone, you want to tap on App Store. As soon as you do that, you want to tap on the profile, which is on the top right corner. Then you want to tap on your name. Here you want to enter your password or your fingerprint or your Face ID, whichever is convenient. Now you want to tap on country reason, which is on the third option, and now after that you will enter to the screen. Now you want to tap on change country or reason. A list of country will be presented in front of you, and then you want to tap on any of the country that you want to change to. So for now, US is the most convenient location where we can access through different facilitated apps. So all you want to do is tap on any nation. After that, what you need to do is you want to agree to all the terms and conditions forwarded by it, and then you want to read all the things, and then you want to tap on agree, which is on the top right corner. Then you want to tap on agree again. As soon as you do that, you will be brought up with a form that you want to fill up and submit. You want to add payment method and your number and your expiries and your CVV, your full name, last name, and street, where you live, and everything else, and then you want to tap on next. In this way, you can change your country on iPhone. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really hope this video helped you out.